We have joined by actor Sanjana Gulrani also on the broadcast. Sanjana, thank you so much for speaking to us on CNN News 18. A huge development has happened. Allu Arjun has been arrested. And what we're getting to hear right now is that his lawyers have rushed. They are seeking his immediate bail. We've been speaking to senior advocates as well. He's been booked for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. How do you see the sudden turn of events for the actor who's been basking in the success of his newly released film?
It's very unfortunate what happened. The entire situation went out of control. And, actors not allowed to just celebrate the happiness of his success also in this country. It's really very sad to see this. And time and again, we see the legal system is very brutal towards celebrities. In the case of Aryan Khan, we saw what happened. And then we saw how it ended up. He got a clean sheet after suffering for 3 months. And out here, it's not that Allu Arjun has gone and by his hand he's pushed some fan or his own security has gone and manhandled any fan. It's absolutely not like that.
No, Sanjana, there is an allegation against his security that they manhandled the fans, and it was, I'm just telling you what the charges against him, that he did not inform the theatre owners. He wanted to spring a surprise. He came out of nowhere, and that triggered the stampede, and the situation went completely out of control.
I would like to address all this in your very words you just mentioned now that these are allegations.
Yes, absolutely.
And he's a very socially responsible person. Something like this has happened very unfortunately, and we saw it as a proof. How many people would come out the next day? Of course, money is not a compensation for everything in life.
Yes.
But on humanitarian grounds, he came and he promised that for the rest of his life, he will be there for the family, and immediately contributed a help of 25 lakhs to the family the next day. That very much shows the kind of attitude the man has, that the kind of good attitude Allu Arjun has. And a man of this attitude, you think he will allow his security to be manhandling innocent fans? Does it sum up? It absolutely does not sum up. Let's just sum up the real situations instead of banking on allegations. And this is really sad for us to see our favorite star Allu Arjun going through this. And it's always celebrities. If in case a celebrity has, just made an ant bite, the entire thing is showed off like if he's pulled down a 100-floor building. The smallest of the thing that happens in and around the celebrity is held responsible, and somewhere people want to make their collars up saying, okay, I arrested Allu Arjun. I am the one who is in charge who has arrested Allu Arjun.
So, Sanjana, do you actually believe that the laws are skewed, that the, celebrities in particular or people in power are unfairly targeted, that their stardom is usually misused, and that actors in particular are made scapegoats?
I have been made a scapegoat in the system myself. And I have got a clean sheet from the High Court. I really, really suffered. I was so badly character assassinated. I had nothing to do with it. Another friend of mine was involved in the crime. And that also is an allegation. But I was just a friend of another friend, a far-off relation. And just on suspicious basis, I was taken into task. It was so difficult for me being a celebrity. And even today, I deal with that defamation saying, oh, she went through the legal tasks and she really was punished. For what? I have got a clean sheet today from the High Court. Nobody talks about me getting the clean sheet. Everybody talks about me having to go through the legal grill and the defamation that I have gone through without any evidence. And today, with all evidences, I have got a clean sheet. So me being a celebrity, I know very well how celebrities are targeted.
Indeed, and you fought that fight on your own. Sanjana ji, just stay on with me. We have the copy of that FIR against Allu Arjun, and we are showing our viewers there. Allu Arjun, for the benefit of our viewers who have just tuned in, has been arrested. These are just moments when he was sipping his coffee when the cops came to his residence and they arrested him. We have that copy. I don't know if we have Ananya right now, but Ananya, maybe you could just go through the FIR copy. Tell us a little bit more as to what are you reading there.
No, as far as the sections I have been knowing of in this particular case without even reading the FIR, section 105 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, along with section 118 of the BNS and section 3, which basically includes, a culpable homicide not amounting to murder, along with the common criminal intent, is something that has been invoked against Allu Arjun in this particular case. Definitely, the charges are really serious. These are one of the most heinous offences when it comes to the criminal law in the country, especially the new criminal law in the country. But at the same point of time, the most important thing is whether all of these charges against Allu Arjun would actually hold up in court with regards to, the kind of events that have turned out, because he had, offered a compensation, he had a certain apology as well in this particular matter. So how much of it does it, play up before the court, whether Allu Arjun is able to secure relief? In fact, I was just speaking to senior advocate Siddharth Luthra a short while ago, and he is also saying that, this is something that the police has done in a little hurry. They should have, scrutinized all of this and then should have taken some kind of an action. Arresting somebody in such a case is something that should not have been done. There should have been a proper redressal mechanism that should have been adopted by the police itself. So very clearly, the topmost criminal minds of the, the criminal law minds of the country who are into this profession for over, 3 to 4 decades, also saying that this seems a little rushed incident, but definitely, if you ask me, as a legal journalist, I've been covering courts for the last 8 to 9 years now, and definitely these are some serious charges being slapped on Allu Arjun, and securing a bail in these charges is a pretty difficult task. So how would the legal team do it is something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
Absolutely, and we'll keep a close watch. We'll keep coming back to you. Stay on with me. Swastika, you're also there with us. You have more details about the FIR copy that we are showing, the picture of that FIR. Over to you. Fill us in with all the details.